What's your advice on losing drive to study the Deen? What's your advice on losing drive to study the Deen? Um, I think what I would advise is that every one of us should fall in love with Islam. Like, really, we should be like madly in love with Islam, right? We should realize what Islam is, what it will do for us, what it will do for the people that we love in this world, in the akhirah, and we should fall in love with it. And we should go like all out with it, right? Because anything, like, think about, I'll give you an example, right? Look at the world right now. We're going through Corona madness. I call this Corona madness. We are going through a time never ever seen in history before, right? Where the world is locked down, the world is fearful, the world is all this stuff. You know, when I think about it, I think, how on earth does a human being live in this world without Allah? Like, how does someone live without Allah? How does someone live without, like, having Islam in their life? Now I feel like scared to think of having a life without Allah, having a life without Islam, right? And you need to realize that there is a sweetness when it comes to seeking Islamic knowledge. Like, there's a sweetness in that by seeking knowledge. So what I would say is that you need to fall in love with Islam. You need to realize that Islam will ultimately benefit you. It'll benefit the people that you love. It will make your life better, right? The more you know about Islam, the better it is for you, the firmer it will make you, all of this stuff. So I would definitely advise that the way to do it is start by learning about the things that you really care about. So there might be a thing that you're interested in, go deeper into that, and then spread out. Even watch motivation videos. Like, imagine I don't want to do my tax returns, for example. What I would do is I would go on YouTube and I would look at motivation to do tax returns. I know it sounds dumb, but I do that a lot sometimes, right? So if I don't feel like reading Quran, go and watch a video, the importance of reading the Quran, the importance of seeking knowledge. And if you do that, then you will find that you start to feel motivated. And when it comes to seeking knowledge, there is so many hadith about seeking knowledge and the benefit for doing it. And I promise you, it will benefit you much more than you can imagine, inshallah.